back to my channel. I'm Caviarkezzy. I hope you're all doing well. Today I'm doing great because I have this beautiful wig that literally took 2 minutes to install. You guys know this is my latest obsession and I hope you don't mind because I love glueless wigs. Let's jump into it. Today's hair sponsor is Luvme hair. I love Luvme hair, as you guys know. I do a lot of hair reviews featuring Luvme hair because I actually love the hair. I've never done a review for this specific type of curl patterns. That's exciting. What I have installed is a boho chic, flowy, bohemian style curly closure wig. This is a 5x5 closure wig, and when I say 5x5, it might even be more than that. The lace is going from here to here and all the way back. It's massive parting space. I'm just gonna cut off the lace. Looks like it's giving more lace space than your typical 5x5. So I'm just cutting into the lace right now with my zigzag scissors. I'm gonna adjust the strap so we can wear her glueless. I belong to you. I did bleach the knots on this wig prior to install, so that is already done for me. I would advise doing that. It is a bit noticeable. Even after I've done that, I can still see some of the knots. Wow, this is some nice hair on this wig. Fits pretty good glueless. Really deep parting space. Kind of going for a straight side part. I don't really want any curves to it. Just want a straight, clean side part. Instead of the hair going this way, I'm gonna press it downwards and kind of train it to lay right in front of the stuff that I want to hide. So it kind of looks like that. Gonna do the same for this side as well. Go in with some wax stick. The last little thing that I'm gonna use, like one of the last things, I'm gonna use this little eyeliner to fix any missing spots where it looks like I might have over bleached. We're gonna go in with my palette. I'm gonna clean up the part. Take me to your soul. And seal it in. Using a really light hairspray. This is what the curls dry like when you don't disturb it, but obviously that's not how it's going to remain. This is definitely the first wig that I've had that this texture. It gives me like water wave back in the day. It also looks like a mixture of like wet and wavy. That's the vibe it's giving me. I am going to spray a bit of water and then kind of run through it because I do want the top part more defined. Another glueless install. If you want to wear it to the side, you definitely can. It's just a beautiful wig. That's actually cuter, no? Yeah, this is cuter. I can feel it covering my ear, so I'm gonna tuck that part in. I'm gonna bend it right in. Honestly, it doesn't even look like it's a closure wig. take in this lace, please? I'm coming closer. I hope you guys don't feel invaded with your private space because I want you guys to see this. Look at this, you guys. This is 100% glueless, okay? But you don't see the lace once it's melted down, and this is without any products. Wow, it's beautiful. The hair on this wig comes pre-plucked, and I think it does come lightly pre-bleached, but I went ahead and bleached her again because I got the hairs that they didn't get in the first go round. I cleaned those up and I have no problems doing that. I didn't pluck this wig because it already comes plucked, baby. It does fit really well, glueless. It fits snug. It does have some sort of like an ear tab here, so when you move the wig, wear it over to the side like this, you're gonna have the tab coming out on your ear, but no one's gonna see that. There are so many ways to wear this wig, and that's what I really love. If you haven't tried a glueless closure wig before, you better get on it because it's life-changing. It's more of a wave pattern and it's really beautiful. It's very soft. You can run your hands through it. It kind of looks like kinky straight, but it's not. Like, it's the weirdest thing. It's just a beautiful wig. I don't know how else to explain it besides that. I think you guys should get it. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. Leave your thoughts. Head over to Luvme Hair and check them out. Those are my final thoughts. It gets a 10 out of 10 because she is beautiful. Bye, guys.